bringing things to this flood. And by then, when the floods were increasing, we stayed up at the flood till the rain stopped. Then we used the ladder to get out of the home. We used the ladder to get out.
And then
The ladder was placed there. Then we climbed through that thing. Then we came out of the fence through the ladder. Neighbors came after the rain had stopped to help us pour water out of the compound, out of the houses, and they helped us even to clean the place and to rescue something that the water wanted to take. I am by the name is Nawal Esther. Nawal Esther. Brenda, you go look your light. Brenda, come on with the light. Chidomola vile chakula.
can you start?
So the name's Mbale Yako, the chap said, So what has been there, this rain started around 11 there. So from 11 up to morning hours. So from there, it was totally fully mixed with soil. And apart from soil, it was totally mixed with what? Sewage. Now the whole sewage and the mixed mud, whatever, covered the people with water, soil and so on. So what has been there is not the first time this rain to come. The other one which came the other time, it was somehow. But this one is totally mud-related. Now what has been there, I don't know. So within a certain time, it might expand more than this. And most of tenants expect it to move anytime. Because of the station which has landed on us. And there's no any other means of simplifying matters now. So what they are playing to reduce maybe the rain to reduce and they keep on moving. But first of all, people, there are those who have survived, those ones who have died. Eh? Me, most of the time I don't sleep. And that time I was really observing. The first time I had rain, I had to wait. So the time I waited, I opened my door, I got out. The time I got out, I fixed there 2 basins of water. Then I slept for some 2 hours. After that, again I came out when it is soon completing. Now the time it was completing, I heard a sound from out there. You know these channels which carry heavy water. Boop, boop, boop. The thing just came straight forward up to the wall. Then I had to run up the ladders that building. So the time I ran up there it is when I saw the water was like a lake, those floods. Now since I was seeing up there, I thought that Lake Victoria has joined here. So So it was totally full. Now from there I had to call some people, and even most of them were aware they were out. So they came, they observed the situation, others were moving outside the radar. What? Those ones who went, those ones who had to remain, they remained. So that is all about the state. Most of people have been affected a lot about their clothes, saucepans, those mattresses have been washed with mud. Now that is the confused area which is there. Yeah. So there's no any other issue apart from that one. That is how people are affected. So I think they are going to be more clear about the situation which is there now. So we have to accept what has happened. It has to happen. Because without that, in life you have to accept good and bad. That one is okay for people who are renting like tenants. They can shift, but the owners of the houses, are they ready? They are not ready because that is where their life rely. And that is their destiny. How can you tell someone to shift anyhow without having any evaluation at all? Where can he start from? Those landlords cannot go away. Especially what the government has to do to help these people out there. But it cannot do it. The issue of constructing these stone money here, they are in form of calabash, but they are raised up near the river always. But that one government cannot do. So that is the only whatever motive which I have. Now how can the government, most especially to this loss which has happened, can the government be able to help the loss which has happened and the expected thing which has to be expected in future to be fixed today? If it is able to accept, then we can fix all of the remedies which have happened. You see there? Now there, if the government is to help people, let it not to chase people anyhow. Because even the situation with all the challenge and the circumstances people which are facing now, first of all, they are dying of poverty. And besides poverty, they have issues of businesses. Someone is doing business but is not earning money. Now what do you expect? So the government should not chase people anyhow because they are facing very many challenges. Most especially the issues of corona which have passed. They have not led to destruction of very many people's lives, and others are still crying because of those issues. Now what the government has to help people, since this challenge has happened in Mbale only, I don't know most of areas. Or if it has been in Mbale only, the government should help people how to solve some issues. Most especially those ones who are rating Kadongo Kamu. Now if the government is to help those people who are faced such kind of a challenge, to be forming these chairmans here, but among the chairmans you have others who are totally stupid and others who are So the chairman should inform these chairmans plus some spies observing what they are supposed to do among their people. Not leaving chairmen to do things according to their own understanding. They send their spies to observe them while sending some information and help to those chairmen so that they can help people how to modify some things and so on. So that is what is there now.